You're ready to clean, but your Dyson DC40's brush bar isn't spinning, leaving behind dirt and debris. Here's how to fix it. Check the vacuum's position. Dyson vacuums are designed to automatically stop the brush bar from spinning when they're in the upright position. This feature protects your flooring and saves power when the vacuum is not in use. So if your brush bar isn't moving, make sure you've tilted the vacuum back into its regular cleaning angle. Once it's reclined, the brush bar should re-engage and begin spinning. The next most common issue is hair or debris wrapped around the brush bar. Over time, long hair, pet fur, string, and dust can wind tightly around the brush, preventing it from turning. To fix this, unplug the vacuum and lay it on its side. After clearing it, try rotating the brush manually to ensure it's free. Carefully tilt the machine forward onto its front. Detach the C-clip by gently prying both ends away from the machine's neck. Lift the neck to remove the cleaner head. Open both release levers fully. Take off the sole plate from the cleaner head. Unscrew and separate both halves of the brush bar. Clear out any debris from the brush bar sections and the cleaner head. Once clean, reassemble the brush bar halves and secure them with the screws. You should also check the bearings on each side of the brush bar. These bearings allow the brush to spin smoothly, but they can seize up due to dust, debris, or lack of lubrication. Unplug the vacuum, remove the brush bar, and inspect both ends. Clean out any buildup and add a few drops of light lubricant like WD-40 if the bearings feel dry or stiff. If the brush bar still doesn't spin, it might be due to the motor's overload protection kicking in. Dyson vacuums include a built-in safety system that shuts off the brush bar motor when it detects too much resistance, such as from tangled hair or a thick carpet. To reset it, locate the red reset button on the cleaner head, press it firmly, and then plug the vacuum back in. If the brush bar still does not spin, maybe the brush bar needs to be replaced. Place the machine on its side, keeping it upright, do not recline. Release the fasteners and open the sole plate. The brush bar is held in place by 4 Phillips screws. Remove all 4 screws, then take out both halves of the brush bar. Dispose of any worn or damaged parts according to local regulations. Align the 2 new halves of the brush bar and fasten them securely using the 4 Phillips screws. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick maintenance tips to prevent future issues. First, make it a habit to remove hair and debris from the brush bar after every few uses. This prevents buildup and strain on the motor. Second, check your filters and clean them regularly. This ensures proper airflow and motor performance. And for another useful cleaning guide, check out this video next.